Hi guys, thank you for joining today's video. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Daniel. I'm one of the account managers here at Commusoft. Today, this video is going to be slightly different to the ones that I'm used to doing, as we are going to be introducing our brand new sales product. And to help me out with that today, we are joined by Jason, our Commusoft founder. Jason, let's kick off with a nice, easy question to start off with. So why is the concept of managing sales or even having a sales process so important for field service businesses?
All companies should have a sales process. And I think really what we're talking about here is that a lot of trades businesses, not all, there are some exceptions like there always is, don't have a sales process. They quote or they estimate or they survey. And I think that's problematic because a good sales process, like lots of companies have, helps to create a sense of repetition, a sense of a repeatable process that can be done, whether the salesperson's there, not there. It just really helps improve the acquisition of new business.
Okay. If you had to pick two pieces of advice that would help any field service businesses with the sales process today, what would they be and why?
I think the first thing is know your numbers. You don't need technology for this. You need a bit of time and a spreadsheet. Yeah. You need to know what you're currently doing. What's your conversion rate now, from your inquiry all the way through to the sale being made. Yeah. And I would genuinely look at that month by month. Because if you're in an industry which is traditionally seasonal, so if you're in air conditioning industry or in heating industry, it's traditionally seasonal, I would be very interested to see whether your conversion rate drops when you're busy. The second thing is profitability in those numbers. Does it change month by month? Because if you don't know those numbers, if you haven't got a firm grasp on that, then any change that you make, whether it's technology or whether it's process, you will have no clue whether it's actually improving things or making things worse. And so first things first, know your numbers. Second thing is the sales process itself, right? You need to stop thinking about a sales process as just survey, quote, possibly follow up. Yeah. We need to start thinking about how do we qualify the prospect? Do they have the time, budget, and inclination to do the job? Now, naturally, if your business is predominantly breakdown related and it's just fixing those breakdowns, then they're going to have the inclination, the demand is going to be there to do it. But I think it's important to get under the skin of the prospect that you're talking to. Know why they're doing it and what they care about, because that can influence what you present. If someone is really interested in providing an environmentally friendly solution compared to someone that's on a budget, that is going to make a big difference. And I think that's what's going to be so important. That's part of the mindset change from stopping quoting and starting selling.
Okay. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you're as excited as we are here at Commusoft. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact any of us on the sales team.